Okay, now for the arm area and the hand area for stretches, we'll first start with the fingers. So this is extension of the fingers, so we're going to bring them back like this. And this is stretching out the flexor digitorum muscle. So right here we're stretching out the flexor digitorum, so the flexor side. Digitorum means fingers, so again we're going to stretch out that area here. Or you can just perform one at a time, or even two at a time if you want. Or you can perform finger flexion. You bring it down like this. So with finger flexion, it's stretching out the extensor digitorum muscles. And again, you can just do one at a time if you want, or you can do a couple at a time, or all of them at the same time. Abduction, so bringing it away, like this. Or you can do a little adduction. It's kind of hard, but it is possible. But it's actually crossing it over like this for the stretches. Okay, for the wrist area, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back like this. So we're going to stretch out the flexor digitorum muscles, and we're going to stretch out the flexor carpi radialis longus muscle, also the palmaris longus muscle we're going to stretch out for here. So a lot of the forearm flexors we're stretching out for this kind of position. Or if you're going to go the other way, it's going to bring it this way, and you're stretching out the extensors of the forearm here. So extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, even a little bit of extensor digitorum we're stretching out for this kind of position. And an even better stretch for those is we're going to hold on to the wrists, not so tight that their fingers start turning white, but we're going to extend, so we're going to traction, and then flex. So that gets a better stretch for that. So again, traction, and then flex. Or you can go the opposite direction, so we're going to extend like this. So again, when you're bringing it back this way, you're stretching out the extensors. This way, you're stretching out the flexors in. Next option, wrap the pinky and also the pollicis, the thumb here. So you're going to bring it back like this. So you're stretching out the palmaris longus mostly, so right in the palm area. Works really nice, especially people that are like construction workers, people that use their hands all day long for long periods. Sometimes this area gets a little bit more contracted. So they can even get a syndrome called palmar fasciitis. So palmar fasciitis is the fascia in this area gets really tight. And there's plantar fasciitis in the foot, so it's the same idea but in the foot region. Okay, next one, we're going to pinky, grab three fingers, and then the thumb, we're going to stretch it out. So again, we're going to stretch out the palmaris longus then. Another stretch for that area, wrap the pinky and also the ring finger, pinky, two fingers in here, and stretch out this area. So it's a little bit different stretch for this area. Okay, next one, elbow flexion. This really doesn't stretch much. But if the triceps are really tight, it might give a little bit. But the barrier is the bicep area right here. So it's kind of pushing into the biceps. So you might have to rotate it out a little bit to get a better stretch for the tricep area then. Okay, for a tricep stretch, you're going to bring the arm over the head like this and just push it down. So you're stretching out the tricep muscles here.